an awareness program focusing on maternal, child and adolescent health, the protection of children from sexual offences or Pocso Act, and drug abuse was held at the indoor stadium in Madanrting, Shillong on the 30th of August 2024. Organised by the District Health Society in collaboration with the National Health Mission, East Khasi Hills District, the event aimed to highlight the importance of health and healthy habits. The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, Rosette M. Kurba, served as the chief guest, addressing attendees alongside key officials, including the District Maternal and Child Health Officer, Dr. E. L. Kharmuti, Special Public Prosecutor Pocso Wilma Khongji, Officer in charge of Madanrting Police Station, PG Moman, Adolescent Counsellor from Rashtriya Kishore Swasthya Karyakram at Civil Hospital P. Dakhar, and the Secretary of Dorbar Shnong Madanrting, Cyprian Kharkongor. The event saw participation from local women, teachers, students and residents of Madanrting locality. In her address, Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills R.M. Kurba highlighted that approximately 49% of the state's population consists of children under 16 years of age. She called upon parents to take an active role in educating their children, particularly their sons, about the dangers of abuse, with a special emphasis on preventing the molestation of young girls. She also underscored the significance of the Pocso Act, emphasizing its power to prosecute and punish offenders involved in crimes against juveniles.
So si tahu kita syokang ayam, but tunjuk ya mereka buat jokai kita sem, but mereka jadi roy ibu nanti mo, nanti kalau apa gimana ni health dalam kebanyakan mo, juga jadi health is a very vast subject. Do you know that health is a vast subject? Yes, it's very vast. It's not just eating healthy. It's good enough. Yeah, exercise, then you have to sleep on time, and there's a lot of things. And why I'm stressing on this is because in our country, we have 49% of children below the age of, guess? Yes. So you know basic facts. So understanding that, we have a very young population in our country, and by having a young population, we need to have children who are responsible. Jangan kami kena kita semua kita belahan kerja yang lebih, okay? Membuat bagaimana kita itu not to be a burden on yourself, on your family, on your society. Why we cannot keep climate change kita tip semua net ke ego kita along na you kung naman po sila kini kita kena as young children we should have a roadmap. Okay, today I am in class 6. I know I'm going to class 7. If I do well, I go to class 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, then I go to the college, university, I'm going to become a doctor, engineer. You know, I can be somebody in life. Don't you all want to be somebody? Yes. And do you want someone to disturb you in that journey? Do you make it a pledge today that you will not allow any other individual to take control of your life? Pikulan ban shim yang kami cakap jompi, hati jompi, bapin suman hai kamet ke jompi, bapin bed, banunda mano bande beja kethe dan sedap. Kalau mereka kethe bersedap, manda mishewa itian, kita berada kethe itian, kita berada sedap itian. Nyampe itian cutang kethe. Most of the time, when we talk about rape and ignorance, you know, Pocso cases, in Zakarek, we always talk about girls. But then we love that, but even boys are being threatened. First thing, you have to take care of yourself. If you cannot take care of yourself, you cannot take care of any other person. Okay? Because if you are somebody in life, then only you can take care of another person. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And we have a responsibility to keep the society safe. Why should only the second head? Why should only the certain group of the society take care of you? Why can't the young people take care of themselves? I have a question to all the mothers. I was telling Kom, but I have so many mothers here. If all the mothers teach their children the same way they teach the boys and the girls to be somebody, to be responsible, to work hard, same, equal. We're talking about equality, we're talking about feminism.
The ICFA University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700-505 7728, 8794 250646.